Welcome back, guys. Stone fruit season is finally here and I'm excited to show you our recipe for today. I'm going to use the Breeze dehydrator and the Vibe blender to turn some peaches into a great snack that everyone will love. This recipe has just one ingredient. It doesn't get much easier than that. I'm going to turn these awesome peaches into a peach fruit leather, perfect for snacking on or for putting into lunch boxes for the kids. So today I'm going to use the new Luvele dehydrator sheets that are available now to purchase online. They make dehydrating purees really easy, perfect for this recipe. The first thing we need to do is just give our peaches a wash, and then we're going to chop them up and get them into our blender. I'm going to keep the skin on and the blender will have no trouble breaking that down, but you could take the skin off if you feel like it. I'm going to use 4 large yellow peaches today, and that should fill 4 of our Luvele dehydrator sheets. Once you've got all of your fruit in the blender jug, then you can put the machine onto smoothie mode and blend it all up until it's nice and smooth. Once it's nice and smooth, it's ready to then pour straight onto the silicone sheets. You'll love making your own fruit leathers at home because there's no need to add any sweeteners. There's no preservatives, you know exactly what's in it. The dehydration helps to concentrate all of the natural sugars, making it perfectly sweet. I filled all of the silicone sheets up now, and I took a palette knife just to smooth it all the way to the edges. They're nice and full without overflowing, and now we can get them onto the machine. These work best at lower temperatures, so we're going to set the machine to 50 degrees and we're going to have it on for 12 hours. My peach fruit leather has been on overnight now for 12 hours, so I'm going to open up the machine now and have a look to see how it's going. Check the surface with your fingers just to make sure it's all dry, and if there's any wet patches left, then put the machine back on for another hour or so and that should do the trick. I can see that these ones are all done now. They're really nice and flexible, they're nice and dry, and I should be able to peel them off the silicone really easily. I'm really happy with these ones. They've worked really well. If you take your time peeling them off those silicone sheets, then they should come off in one nice piece. You can take some clean scissors and chop them up. You can roll them up for the kids' lunch boxes. They can store in the pantry, just in a glass container for up to a month, but they probably won't last that long. Making your own fruit leather at home is a great way to use up all your extra fruit that you might have laying around, fruit that's seen better days maybe. Mix and match your flavors, have a play around with it. No preservatives, no refined sugar, just a great fun snack for everyone to enjoy. So that's how simple it is to make your own fruit leather at home in the Breeze dehydrator. These silicone sheets make it super easy and simple, so make sure you get your hands on some of those. Thanks for watching this week. If you haven't already, hit subscribe to see more of our videos in weeks to come. We're going to be doing some more of these fruit leather recipes, so stay tuned for those. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you again next time.